This video explains how to buy shares of Black Cat Syndicate Ltd, an Australian mining and exploration company trading on CBOE AUS under the ticker BC8.ASX. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. You need a broker to trade shares, and we use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will be asked to verify your account with an identity document and to add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker BC8.ASX to find the listing. Select the result that matches Black Cat Syndicate Ltd to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to understand the current quotes. Confirm the page displays Black Cat Syndicate Ltd and the BC8.ASX ticker before proceeding. Tap Investor Trade. Enter the amount you want to purchase, then carefully review and confirm the order details. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until trading resumes, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your position will appear in your portfolio once executed. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to open the example platform.